Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you can change battery reserve level for your Windows computer. To do that, go to your computer, the notification bar or the tab bar, and click on the battery icon. Click with the right button of the mouse and select power options. Next step, change plant settings, change advanced power settings, click on battery to show the additional details, and there go to battery reserve level. It should be the last option. Double click on it, the first option, battery, and on plugged in, and you can increase or decrease your reserve battery level. Once you have changed, the apply option should be available, so you'll have to click on it and then you click OK, and you must restart your computer so that your changes becomes effective. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.